Expanding. Homes for sale in Annapolis are still shrinking. It's Friday, September 30th, 2022. I'm Kimberly Barton of Kinetic Realty, your local market expert with this week's Annapolis Real Estate Report. You need to know what the local market is doing, so be sure to subscribe for weekly updates. 17 new homes for sale hit the market since last week. Now we currently have 124 homes available in Annapolis. 50 of these are in zip code 21401. 42 homes are in 21403. 31 are in zip code 21409. There are only 21 homes coming soon, priced from $239,000 to $7,500,000. 21 homes went under contract over the past week. 21 homes closed. Lucky 21. With the highest priced home to sell in Cherrystone for $3,020,000. Mortgage rates climbing as quickly as they have been contributes to where we are right now. Whiplash mortgage rates have not been this volatile since 1987, and rates are now where they were in 2008 and quickly approaching 7%, with some loan products actually over 7%. Looking at this chart, you can see that the same home last June 2021 would cost a homeowner $1,265 per month. This June, that figure climbed to $1,944. The Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell calls this a difficult correction. The difficulty is being felt by those on the market right now. 46% of the Annapolis home sellers have made adjustments to their price, and days on the market are up to 49 days. Many sellers are also buyers, so those selling now will be buying at the higher interest rate. Some sellers are hesitant about stepping into the market as a result. Renters are still feeling the squeeze with few rentals available. Landlords have been experiencing rising costs in repairs, contractors, and lack of available rentals, plus the demand is contributing to the soaring rents. Rental inventory actually fell to 26 homes for lease at $2,900, listed at an average of 18 days. Thinking about moving, you should feel confident about buying or selling a home. My job as an expert is to provide you with the facts and data and information, then bring context to it for you. Call me and let's talk. That's a wrap for this week's Annapolis Real Estate Report for Friday, September 30th, 2022. Thanks for tuning in. Until next week.